Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to book flight ticket on Sky Express. So what we need to do first, simply, we just need to go to the official web page. So type into the Google Sky Express, then search for Sky Express right here, official web page, click on it, and now you see something like that. Okay, now what we need to do to get to the booking the ticket. So you can see here on the right side you have forum to do that, but we will go here to the top left corner where you see book, click on it and then select flight. All right, so now we are here to book our flight ticket. So what we need to do is choose your trip type. So you can choose round trip or one way or multi-city, as you can see here in the top right corner. Okay, so we will select round trip because we want to get back. Then we will enter our departure city, and yeah, let's select, I don't know, Berlin, then and your destination city. So where we want to go, let's say we want to go to Lisbon. All right. Now what we need to do is select dates. So we will go the 1st of this September and we will be back in like so. Then click done. Number of passengers we can put here 2. Uh, if you have children, you age from 12 to 2 to 12, and then if you have also infants. Okay, so I will go with just 2 adults. If you have promo code, you can type in right over here, and now you can start searching. Now, as you can see right here, for this type from Berlin to Lisbon, we don't have any available flight. So I will change this to somewhere else that we see if we can find something. All right, so we get something. Now, as you can see, I have just one flight, but if you have more options, go through the list and you will also check the times and prices and select the flight that works best for your schedule. Pick a ferry type. Uh, so if it offers Skyjoy, cheapest price includes one cabin bag. Then you have, so let's do it like so. Now, as you can see right here, Skyjoy Plus and Sky Enjoy, what is included in this package basically, and you can select. So we can see here cabin bag, checked baggage, uh, changes, and so on. We have here in Sky Enjoy, we have seat pre-selection, so free standard seats, priority baggage delivery, free of charge, and same day flight changes. So this is the Sky Enjoy package. Now, yeah, it's the difference. So let's select this one for example. And all right. Now what we are going to do, we have selected this package, and now we can go further. Now, as you can see, we don't have here on 1st of this September any flight, so we need to select different date. So 31 of August. So now we have something, and let's select one of them here. So let's go with this one, and we will select this right here. Okay, so now we have everything and we can go further. Now what we are going to do here is select the type. So, and your first name, last name, date of birth, gender. Then you have here some contact informations. And for passenger number 2, you need to also put some details into it. And then what you're going to do is just go next. There you will select seat pre-selection, because we have selected the highest package. You will put in some extra bags if you have them, and after that you just complete booking. So you will pay with your credit or debit card, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the